Joe, what's up, boy? Doing? It's your boy Liz here, back again for another video. Where today, I'm in my room right now. It's half term, and as you can see, probably you may not see it right now. It was actually snowing, but now it's slowing down. Let me see if I can show you again. It was actually heavy about a few seconds ago when I was trying to get my phone. So there's you. So you showed to the screen. See, it's starting to get a bit heavy now. Hope you saw that. Let's actually try one more time. Why don't you see it? Hold on. Okay, so I don't know if you see that or not, but it's actually snowing. I'm about to get changed and sort out my washing. So let's actually get to it. So see guys, I'm now changed right now into some shirt and some jeans, sorry, some jogging pants, and now I've got to sort out my washing. The snow looks like it's slowing down a bit. I think it might be stopping now. Hold on, it looks like it's getting a bit heavy. So I better sort out my washing. So let's actually get started. So you can see I'm now, you may not see it, but we sorted out my washing. So I'm waiting for my sister to finish with the washing machine so I can actually get to it. Let's actually see what's going on right now. So it's like the snow is actually stopping a bit. I think it's already melted already, I think. Hold on. Looks like it's going to get a bit heavy. Let's have a look. Try this. Yeah, see, it looks like it's getting a bit heavy. It's a little thick. I don't know what to do right now. Just in my brother's room. Well, technically, my brother's room. See what you got over there? More games. And a bigger TV. When I have is a new Xbox, bigger screen, a little, the same TV, but it's hanged up a bit more. Hold on, I'm not showing you. Oh dear, I'm really bad with my handling skills. This is my laptop. Is it TV screen, same one as usual, same one as usual. Just, there you go. Same TV screen, but it's hanged up higher. I've got a few games. So it looks like a bit trashy, but it's fine. Usually I have, there's my plug sockets. It's slightly hanged up, so it's actually really good. So I don't have to reach down a little further. Just get down. Right. Oh, shit. So wait for my sister to finish off with her washing, so I can start with mine. While she does that, I'm just gonna see if I can listen to something. I don't know. I don't know what kind. So all I'm gonna do now is just sit down. Oh shit. You can't technically quite see me. The full phone. Oh my god, it looks weird. Oh, for goodness sake. You could just barely see my head. So just wait patiently. I'm not gonna do that. That's just being silly. Also, I actually was still calling on my old phone. Technically, I should have used my new phone, but my new phone broke with the LCD screen cracked. When I even touched, I don't know what happened there. I might have done something with it, but I have to deal with it. So, oh, why is the brightness going dark? For goodness sake, stop doing that. For goodness sake. There you go. Put the brightness up a bit. Oh, that's too bright. So I'm just trying to set up. Ugh, fuck. The camera's not really good on this thing, so there you go. That should do. Ugh, I'm still tired as well. Oh, it's already half term. It's technically Saturday. Next week's half term. I'm gonna be really busy, so I may not do not much videos or vlogs, whatever. But I may. I don't know. So, right. Ugh, I just had something to eat, so. But not talking a lot or feeling energetic for now. So I may not do much videos because it's going to be really busy for me. I've got exams coming up. Also, my parents will annoy me, so I should do more revision. So I may not. Why is that thing a pen? Why do you do that? That looks weird. I thought it was so. So I better hope for the best then. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want me to do some more vlogs, smash that like button in the face like the Terminator. And I'll see you very soon. See you soon.